Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklet Educational Channel. So this video is very important for the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering aspirants because here we are going to know the top 3 free websites where you can get the practice questions for the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. Yes, more than thousands questions are there with the answer. So you should watch this video very carefully till end to know the links and how to reach these websites. So I'm not going to provide the links in the description, so be attentive in the video. So the first link which we are going to discuss today is the IndiaBix. Yes, you should log in to the indiabix.com, and here after clicking that you will get into this interface. So here also you will be getting the general aptitude sections where you can get the arithmetic aptitude, data interpretation, online aptitude test and data interpretation test. So looking forward to the environmental science and engineering part, which is the main motto of this video. So here under the engineering section you will get one option as chemical engineering. So you can see in the fourth option you have to click on the chemical engineering portion. So let's click on that and see what's the interface. So after clicking on that you will get several subtopics under this section. You can see here chemical engineering basics, nuclear power engineering, furnace technology, everything. But what we have to click is the environmental engineering. So that is the subject paper. So you have to click on this option. So let us click and see what's there inside. So after clicking on the environmental engineering, we will get this interface. So here you can see section wise it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections for the environmental engineering. So here initially we will click on the first section, that is environmental engineering section 1. So after clicking on that, we will wait for certain seconds and then we will be directed to the question. Yes, these are the MCQs as you can see here. First question is related to the suspended solid present in the wastewater. So options will be given, and then to know the answer, what you have to do, you have to click on this option, that is view answer. So how to know? First you have to think what is the answer, then you will click, then you will get that which option is correct among the 4 options. So as you can see here, option B is correct, and in explanation here there is no description available, but in some question you can get the description of the answer. So that's very important, and as you can see there are different questions given over here related to environmental science and engineering. So you can solve this and note down all these answers. So as you can see here there are also 10 tabs as you can see. So let us go to the 10th number tab. So by clicking on the 10th tab you will also get the same thing, that is the questions from the environmental science and engineering along with the answers and some discussion if they are available. So as you can see in the 7th section, in the first section 10th one we are having the 50 question. So as you can see here also by clicking on the answer you will get the option. So this is only about the section 1 where you are getting 50 questions per paper. So then you can see that here we can have section 2, section 3, section 4. Similarly you can get many questions. So let us click on the section 2 and check whether there are different questions or not. Yes, after clicking on the section 2 you are getting different questions related to the environmental science and engineering syllabus, and there also it is having 10 papers. So as you can see, so you can imagine how many questions you will be getting along with the answer to prepare for the examination, to practice them. Similarly you can go one by one according to the section wise and solve all these questions. So these were related to this website, so you can go and check there. Now let's move to the second one. So the second one you have to click on the Google bar, that is GK series MCQ environmental engineering. So be attentive and type this thing only. After that you will get this kind of suggestion. So here you can see environmental engineering multiple choice questions from the GK series, and this is the logo which is in golden color. So after clicking on that you will get to that website for the practice questions. So let us wait for certain seconds. Yes, so the GK series for the environmental engineering multiple choice question is now open on our screen. You can see here. So here question you can see number 1 is assertion and reasoning 1. So here this kind of question are also available with the options, and to know the answer that is very also easy. You should read the question first, then try to solve on your own, and then you should click on the view answer option. So after clicking on the view answer you will see what is the correct answer here, and here it is given both assertion and reasoning are true and R is the correct explanation. Similarly you can go and check all these questions. You can see there are also different questions over here, and the best thing, that is the most important thing, is that you should go back. Yes, this question, this is the question is asking select the correct relationship between porosity, specific yield and specific retention. So this question is exactly given in the sample question of the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. those who have done, you can recall that, and here also answer is taken. So you can check that these questions were directly taken into the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering sample paper. So that's very important that you should solve all this, because definitely there will be some questions coming in the examination from these kind of MCQs which are present in this website. So as you can see, there are also 6 tabs. By clicking on the 6th one, let's see. So there will be questions in each tab, but we will go to the 6th one. So as you can see, by clicking on the 6th tab, we can get all different questions with the answer, and around 114 questions are there. So that's the very important. So you can solve 114 questions from this GK series website, and the most important thing is that you can also get the explanation of some of the questions. Yes, that's also the important part, I would like to say. And the next thing I would like to suggest is that you should go for the laptop or PC, because it will be convenient to note down all the answers and the questions. So the third and the most important one is the Sand Foundry Environmental Engineering. Yes, that is actually the ocean of questions related to the environmental engineering and science. So that you can see, you can click on that. So after clicking on that, you will be getting redirected to the website. So let's see what's the interface of that. So here it has written that is a collection of over thousands environmental engineering questions and answers. So there the best thing is that they have also discussed the questions, and if you're spending 1 hour daily for 2 to 3 months to learn and assimilate this knowledge, this will definitely help you in the examinations related to environmental science and engineering. So if you go down, you can see here the first section is related to the water demand and quantity, and under that section also there will be subdivisions, that is water demand, population forecasting. So you can see under the section also there are subsections. Second section is on the quality of water, third will be on the unit operations, screening and aeration. So likewise you will get different of sections related to environmental science and engineering. As you can see here, rapid sand filter, waste management, everything is there. So here it is the very best platform to practice the MCQs related to environmental science and engineering. So let us see how many sections are there. So it is more than 17 now. So as you can see, all the important syllabus wise for the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering, most of the topics are given here. So you can see sewage filtration, sewage filter types, types of filter. So all these things are given, all the MCQs are given. So I am not selecting each one, that will be very time consuming. So you can see there are more than 20 sections, so around 21 sections or 22 now. You can see 22 sections are there, and along with that they are having subsections. So let us click on any one section and see. So this is about particulates, acid rain and aerosol. So we'll click on this 21st section and you will go to the ozone depletion. So let's see what are the questions under that subsection of the atmospheric greenhouse gases. So by clicking on the ozone depletion, you will get the questions related to that. So as you can see, the first question is, what is the average concentration of the ozone in the ozone layer of the atmosphere? So as you can see, what is the average concentration of ozone it is asking. So here options are given A, B and C and D. So by clicking on the answer option, that is view answer, you will be getting the answer of that question. So answer is option number D is the correct answer, and you will get the explanation also, that is the concentration of ozone is 10 ppm in ozone layer and only 0.3 ppm in the entire atmosphere. So from here you will get to know the details also. So as you can see, the questions related to ozone, they are very beautifully arranged. So similarly you will get all the questions from the subsections of this Sand Foundry website. So don't forget to practice all the important sections which are under the syllabus of the environmental science and engineering. So as you can see, air pollution, which is important part, you should do this one, and don't waste your time in solving all those units which are not in the syllabus. So kindly note it down, you should only solve which are under your syllabus. So note down the website, that is Sand Foundry Global Education and Learning. So guys, you can also check the link of the playlist for the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. If you haven't checked all this part, I will provide the link in the description. So it will also help in the examination. So try to follow these videos and the website, and surely you will get good marks in the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. So try to believe in yourself, do the hard work, and leave rest everything on God. So see you guys in our next video, and if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel to get further updates.